What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. So you girl, it's June 3rd and Saturday, and we making some pancakes. We're making these Park Kodak City Power Cakes. This is how they look. They're protein pancakes. And half a cup is 15 grams of protein, but I used 1 cup, so it's about 30 grams of protein. Anyways, I went to go see Fast and Furious yesterday, and I was excited to see it. It was a good movie, but I didn't like the ending. Like, I feel like we needed more. If y'all seen it, then y'all kind of know what I mean, because like I wasn't ready for it to be over. I don't feel like we came to a conclusion. Anyways, I took my sisters to watch it. They liked it, but yeah, I just felt like we needed more. Anyways, the next movie they're starting to come out with good movies now, so it's making me excited to go to the movies. So next movie I want to go see is Little Mermaid. Fun fact, whenever Little Mermaid came out, when I was a kid, your girl was watching this had to be before I like started kindergarten. My mom would always drop me off to my grandma's house, and my grandma knew every day we watch Little Mermaid, period. I don't care, watching Little Mermaid 5 days a week. I think the only thing for me is like getting used to the characters being like real people, because I'm used to it being animated, so I think that would be kind of weird to me, but I want to see it. Yesterday when I was at the movie theater, I seen like this little girl and her mom, and the little girl had her like mermaid dress on. It was just so cute. I was like, that would be me if I was her age, because I was a big Little Mermaid fan. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. We're just gonna have to see where the day takes us. I'm really liking having my lashes back. Like I like them all stages. Like I like them when they're super full after like 2-3 days. Like once my eyes start to settle, I like them then. I like them a week later. I like them right now. This is like a week and a half later. I like them all stages, but I won't be getting them done for another like 2 weeks. Like I'm a 3-week type of girl. I ain't going every 2 weeks. So this is how they look, plus the sausage, but they're a lot browner than usual because I added chocolate to it. So alright y'all, so it's a little bit later. It's like 5. So as you can see, I curled my hair a little bit. I have to figure out some type of style because I'm going to a party tonight and my hair is like sweated out from being in the gym. And then your girl did her face. Y'all, I don't wear makeup. This is probably the first, well, it's June, but I don't think in the month of May, unless I went out with my friends, like your girl does not wear makeup anymore. Not even to work. I don't be wearing makeup. But the face is giving. And y'all, look at my eyebrows. Love them. And this is like 2 weeks after getting them done. Like I love them. Like I don't be getting them done too much, which makes it like really good. Anyways, I don't know how to feel about my hair. Hopefully it doesn't look too kitty. Anyways, this is the look. So I'll have to show y'all my outfit. What's up, y'all? So today is Friday, June 9th. Y'all, it is raining. Like, why couldn't it rain during the week? Like, it was nice all week. Monday through Thursday, it was nice. But it had to rain on Friday when folks are trying to enjoy the weekend. Like, you know, rain during the week when folks just go to work and come home, like me. Like, why did it have to rain today? Anyways, yesterday I went to go see Transformers, It was a good movie. I'm not really a big Transformers fan, but I actually enjoyed the movie. I would definitely recommend. I also got my hair done. Yeah, I like it. But anyways, I'm on my way home. Yeah, on my way home from work. Where else? It's like a little after 3. Yeah, that's gonna cause an accident. Yeah, it's a little after 3. The girl's on her way home. And yeah, we're about to get this weekend started. I don't really have anything planned.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, I'm out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold rain. Don't hold no rain. Dirty ass, bitter ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga.
What's up, y'all? So I ain't been, today is Sunday. I have not been doing anything for the last 2 days. But we're in the car right now because I'm about to go get me a wax. And y'all, I haven't had a wax in months. So pray for me because it's gonna hurt. I haven't had this pain in a minute. So yeah. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself. I'm starting to get anxiety because I'm about to be there. But anyways, I'll check in with y'all once we're done. All right, y'all, so we're back at home. I've been back home for a minute now, but your girl survived her appointment. The appointment was not that long. Literally, I got there at like 2:33. My appointment time was at 2:30. Got there at 2:33, and I was back home by 3 on the dot. Like, so the appointment was not even that long, and I live about 13-15 minutes away, so it was pretty quick. I was telling her, I was like, yeah, I think she remembered me a little bit, but I was like, yeah, I ain't been here in a minute, so be patient with me. She'll be seeing me in about 5 weeks. But if you never had a wax before, I will say personally, I start to grow hair, not it to grow back, but for me to start growing hair at like 2.5, 3 weeks. And then for you to have less taken off, it's recommended to go back in 5 weeks so that it won't hurt as much, because the less hair, the less pain. But I don't know, I'll just see how it goes. I can't really remember the timeline. But I'm wearing the Laneige lip balm. This one's the gummy bear one. I scrubbed my lips earlier and I want to put you guys on. I'm not sure if I was vlogging when I bought this, but it's this lip scrub by Tree Hut. Y'all, I'm pretty sure I've showed this on my channel. This stuff, baby, my lips feel so smooth. I need to start doing this more often. And it smells like sweet brown sugar. And I guess it's like edible too, because when I bought this, the dude was like, yeah, and it tastes good too. And I'm like, baby, I am not eating that. Anyways, oh yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on the Brazilian Nut body butter. So bought this at Trader Joe's. It was only like $9, I think. But to give you a final verdict, it smells good. It's really moisturizing. It's not as good as the Fenty body butter, I will say that, but it's good. It smells good. It's thick enough. But I was wearing it, I wore it 2 times and my skin was itching. Mind you, I have sensitive skin, so I have to kind of be careful on what I put on my skin. I've been using like the Fenty body butter. That one does me well. ECO, ECO, that brand, that lotion does me well too. So none of them make my legs itch, or none of them make my skin itch. But when I tell you, when I put this on, and I was taking like a night shower and I put this on, y'all, in the middle of the night I was itching. I was like, oh no. So yeah, so I just gave it to my mom because my mom don't really have sensitive skin like that. So I just wanted to give you guys a verdict on that. I'm kind of sad because that's like the new trend, and it smells good, and it's thick, and it's a lot cheaper than the Fenty body butter. But I still got like 3 of those. Still got like 2 more of the body butters left, so I'm good. But just kind of sad because I'm like, I wish it was something I could use. But anyways, y'all, I was sweating up a storm when I was getting my wax. So as you can see, it's a little frizzy right here. This side always gets a little frizzy, so I'm about to like blow dry it. I need a hot comb. Like, I need to just go ahead and buy me a hot comb. But I'm gonna just like blow dry it to see if it can get a little straighter. Cause y'all, I've only had this hair straight for like 3-4 days. So I'm burning this in the hallway. Marshmallow fireside. It smells so good. Now we're about to light Tiki Beach. I always want to say Tiki Punch. My camera's about to die. I've lit. Oh shit. God, hold on. Look at that. Let me hurry up. In there, you have it. What's up, y'all? So it has been a long week. Like, your girl has a headache. I feel like I always get a headache when I'm doing too much, like I'm not resting. So it's been a long week. It is Thursday. I'm parked waiting for my lash lady, my lash girl, so I can get these lashes done. Y'all, my hair didn't last. It'll be a week tomorrow, but it's because I've been working out so hard that of course it's not gonna last. So tomorrow we about to slap some edge control on, because this perimeter is not okay. Don't mind the train, but after this appointment I'm about to give me some food, go home, relax, and fall asleep. Eat and fall asleep. Like, I'm just tired. Oh, I got this Vaseline stuff. That's what it looks like. Y'all, I can never keep up with lip gloss, whatever. Some of it's at home, because the ones that I've spent, like my Fenty gloss, oh baby, that's staying at home or in my purse. Like, it's not gonna be in my car, because I feel like it just will go missing or go in between the cracks. I got chapstick around here, but one of my lip glosses like started leaking, so I have like a little mess down here. That's another reason why I can't keep lip gloss in the car, because it just starts leaking, melting, whatever. So I got like this cheap stuff. Does the job. So we are back. So I got 14 in the inner, and then 18 and 21. I believe that's what she said. But I got like a different set. I can't really remember what she did, but it's different. It's not as thick as, which is what I wanted. I don't want them as thick. So hopefully my eyes are not red tomorrow. But they feel just fine. Like, usually like I've been needing to use my AC in the car, but I don't have to. But once they relax a little bit, like a couple days, I'll like them a lot better. So what's up, y'all? So today is Friday. Happy Friday. I'm so glad it's Friday, because y'all, I'm so tired and it's been a long week, a long eventful week. But anyways, I just pulled up to this cookie place. I've been here before, but they had different flavors last time I was here. They're kind of like Crumble, except they change their cookies monthly. Crumble changes theirs weekly. So It's called Treat Cookies in Berrien. If you're in the area, you guys should check them out. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go in there and get our cookies. So we're gonna try one. I got the, yeah, how do you open this damn thing? Fruity, I got a Fruity Pebble one. That's how it looks. We'll try that one, since I wasn't expecting on getting this one. Oh, God. It's good. I would never buy it again, though. Yeah, I would never buy it again. It's not nasty, but let's try the Snickerdoodle one. That's a hit. I like that one. Now I got the pecan and the iced oatmeal one. I'm gonna try that one, but honestly, I'm gonna honestly give them to my mom. That's the type of cookie she likes. But that's enough like sweets for now. Like, these are really like sweet.
It drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. Girl, what is love? What's that? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? It's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my equal. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up.